2D plans and sections, and unfolded drawings of individual plates, along with bills of quantities needed for manufacturing are then automatically produced by COMOSYS without the user having to do anything. In order to view, organize, and print general arrangement and shop drawings, COMOSYS provides the user with an integrated drawing module. In addition to the usual dimensioning and annotating commands, it offers many features which make the handling of thousands of drawings easy. With these features built right into COMOSYS, the user does not need to use any other CAD program like AutoCAD to complete the job. For steel structures, assembly drawings, single part drawings, material lists, etc. are produced with the click of a button. General arrangement drawings are also automated, merely asking the user as to where to take the plans and sections from. For concrete structures too, the plans and sections of the most complex structures are created effortlessly, while rebar drawings of standard templates like beams and columns, etc. are completely automatic. Those of non-standard elements are just a wee bit more involved. All these features are fully customizable, and man-hour reduction as compared to competitors is guaranteed.